Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore an EC2 instance from an EBS snapshot, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore an EC2 instance from an EBS snapshot, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Snapshots. Locate the snapshot you want to use for restoration. Select the snapshot by clicking on the checkbox next to it. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Create Volume. In the new window, specify the volume type and size if needed. Ensure the availability zone matches the EC2 instance where you will attach the volume. Click Create Volume to finalize this step. Once the volume has been created, navigate to the Volumes section in the left-hand menu. Find your new volume in the list. Select the volume by clicking the checkbox next to it. Click on the Actions drop-down menu again. Choose Attach Volume. Select the instance you want to restore from the drop-down menu. Specify the device name for the attachment. Click Attach to connect the volume to your EC2 instance. Next, log into your EC2 instance using SSH. Use the appropriate command to list the available disks. You should see the newly attached volume listed. Format the volume if it's new and not previously formatted. Mount the volume to a directory of your choice. Copy the data from the mounted volume back to your desired location on the instance. If necessary, update any configurations or settings related to the restored data. Finally, verify that everything is functioning as expected. You have successfully restored an EC2 instance from an EBS snapshot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.